Hello students, once again welcome to English Literature Classroom. Today I am going to teach Shakespeare's The Merchant of Venice Act 2 Scene 8. The scene takes place in a street of Venice. The characters who are entering the scene are Saladino and Salanio. They are chorus character and they are mainly giving news throughout the play. Okay, come on, let's start line to line explanation. Saladino. Why, man, I saw Bassanio under sail. With him is Grishanio gone along, and in the ship, I am sure Lorenzo is not. Okay, Saladino is telling Salanio that, dear friend Salanio, I saw Bassanio sailing, Grishanio too went with him, and I am sure that Lorenzo was not on the ship. Okay, now you all know who is Bassanio. Bassanio is Antonio's dearest friend. Grishanio is also Bassanio's friend, and Lorenzo is Jessica's lover. Jessica is Shylock's daughter. Okay, and Lorenzo is also Christian. Come on. After listening to Salanio's speech, what is Salanio replying? Okay, Salanio is giving reply. The villain Jew is here referred to Shylock. Okay, the villain Jew with outcries raised the Duke, who went with him to search Bassanio's ship. Now, Jessica, Shylock's daughter, Jessica has fled away with Lorenzo. Okay, and Shylock was very much unhappy and has complained to the Duke. And therefore, Duke has gone to search Bassanio's ship, whether in Bassanio's ship Lorenzo and Jessica were there or not. Okay. After listening to this speech, Saladino replies, he came too late. Okay. Now, who is he referred here? He is referred to the Duke. Okay. And the ship was under sail. But there the Duke was given to understand. Over there, the Duke was told that in gondola. Now, what is gondola? Gondola is a flat bottom boat used on the canals of Venice. Okay. Now, there, the Duke was given to understand that in gondola were seen together Lorenzo and his amorous Jessica. Amorous means loving Jessica. But Antonio certified the Duke that they were not in the ship. Okay. Now, let's see what the question is. First question is, who came too late? What was the consequence of his coming late? Answer, the Duke came too late. The next part of the answer. Okay. As the Duke came too late, Bassanio's ship had already set sail and he could not search the ship. Clear? Now, look. Now, Salanio is telling. What is Salanio is telling? I have never seen such an outburst of anger. Means Shylock was very angry because Jessica has fled away and he was shouting in the street. What was he shouting in the street? My daughter, my ducats. Oh, my daughter eloped with Christian. Oh, my Christian ducats. Justice, the law, my ducats and my daughter. A sealed bag. Look, what is Jessica taken away from home? Okay. A sealed bag, 2 sealed bags of ducats, of double ducats stolen from me by my daughter and jewels, 2 rich precious stones, okay, stolen by my daughter. Justice. Okay, Shylock is telling that he wants justice. Find the girl. She has the diamond as well as the ducats with her. Now, after listening to this, Salanio is replying. Look, what is Salanio is replying? Well, all the boys in Venice follow him, crying about the diamond, the ducats and his daughter. Okay, all the boys in Venice, they were following Shylock and repeating the same things. Okay. Now, Salanio is telling, let Antonio make his payment on the day that the bond is due. Otherwise, he may have to pay back for the default. Now, let's see what the question is. Okay. How does the extract show that Antonio enjoyed a special social status in the Venetian society? Answer. The Duke was told that Lorenzo and his beloved Jessica had been seen sitting together in gondola. Antonio assured the Duke that they were not with Bassanio on the ship. The Duke was satisfied with Antonio's assurance. Thus, we can say that Antonio enjoyed a special status in Venetian society. Okay, look, Salanio is telling that all the boys in Venice follow him. Okay, they were also repeating the same thing. And now Salanio is giving reply. Now, what reply Salanio is telling? Let good Antonio keep the day. Okay, that is, let Antonio make his payment on the day that the bond is due. Otherwise, he may have to pay for the default. After listening to this, Salanio is replying, Mary, well remembered. I remembered I spoke to a Frenchman yesterday. Salanio is telling that he had spoken to a Frenchman the previous day who told him that in the narrow sea channel, that is English Channel, which is between England and France, okay, a ship from Venice with rich cargo had been wrecked. And after listening to this, Saladino wished in silence that this ship was not of Antonio's. Okay, now let's see the question. What is gondola? Answered, gondola is a flat bottom boat used in the canals of Venice. Okay, let's continue. Okay, now Salanio is telling, it's better that you tell Antonio what you have heard. Do not tell him at once, for it may make him sad. Okay, after this Salarino is replying. Now Salarino is telling that there has not been a more generous man walking on this earth than Antonio. I saw means Salarino had seen Bassanio and Antonio parting from each other. Bassanio promised that he would return very quickly, but Antonio told that not to come in such a hurry and not to spoil the plan for Antonio's sake. Okay, and then Antonio also told Bassanio to be cheerful and in his mind not to enter any other thing. Okay, and after telling all this thing, Antonio's eyes were filled with tears. He turned his face away and extended his hand behind him. Okay, and he just told goodbye to Bassanio. Okay, now let's see the question. What role do Salarino and Salanio play in the Merchant of Venice? Answer. Salarino and Salanio play the role of messenger. They mostly provide information. Okay, let's come to the last extract. Okay, now Salanio is telling that he seems to live only for Bassanio's sake. He means that is Antonio. Antonio seems to live only for Bassanio's sake. Come, I request you, let us go and find him out. Okay, now Salanio is telling Salanio that come on, let's find out Antonio and amuse him. He must be unhappy. Salanio is telling that yes, let's do that. Now let's see the question. What would be the result if Antonio failed to keep his day? Answer. If Antonio failed to keep his day, Shylock would have the right to take 1 pound of flesh from his body as a penalty. Next question. What news does Salarino give to Salanio which indicates that Antonio may fail to keep his day? Answer. Salarino reports Salanio that he has come to know of a Venetian ship loaded. Look, this is typing mistake. Okay, of a Venetian or not if of a Venetian ship loaded with goods that has sunk in the English Channel. This highlights that Antonio may fail to keep his day. I am again repeating this answer. Salarino reports Salanio that he has come to know of a Venetian, of, again I am telling this is of, of, it is a typing mistake, just ignore, of a Venetian ship loaded with goods that are sunk in the English Channel. This highlights that Antonio may fail to keep his deal. Okay, this is the end of this video. With this I am concluding this video. In my next video I am going to bring something new. Until then, goodbye.